Hi, my name's Yasin. My project is called Find Interact. Basically, my project is a 5-side tournament for kids at the age of under 12, which will be run by me and my peers. The tournament will consist of 8 teams with 5 people in it, and they will be split up to 2 groups of 4. And the winner of the groups will progress further on in the tournament. After the group stages, we'll have a little break where students can have oranges, water, which will be provided by me and my friends. Basically, my PE teacher's got links with QPR, so we're trying to organise the tickets to QPR home games for the winners, if we can organise that. So, but we won't advertise that until we organise that. I think this tournament gives a good chance for the youth to get involved, as it will make them feel like they've got a role to play in the Olympics. And I also think gives teenagers like me to prove that we can give a lot to the community.